In this video, I just want to walk you through and consider something that will add a little bit more to your customer service and just make your customers feel a little bit more special. What we've done at the moment is we created a list and we used that list to build our free list and squeeze them through to the sales pages on our site to make sales. Now, assuming this person then actually makes a purchase, if you set up an autoresponder series to follow up, keep selling to them, and they've purchased this product from you, they're going to carry on getting that follow-up series. And what you might want to do is to just put a little opt-in box beneath here saying, please put your name and address in here for any further updates to our product and information. And to do that, all you do is go into Aweber and you just go through the process we've gone through in this course by creating a whole new list. So let's say I set up another opt-in box, and this time I actually called it an email course. For example, it might just be my buyers list, whatever it is I've done, but I know this person is now a special customer. What I want to do first of all is say that when they join this list, I want to take them off another list. So what we want to do now is actually take them off of the old list when they sign up to this one. The way we do that is we go to the old list. So we're in the 1, 2, 3 traffic tips. This is where they opted in to get our free report. And we go to my lists and choose automation. And then we choose a new action which says unsubscribe from this list when they subscribe to this list, which is our buyers list, for example, and we save those rules. Then we go into our new list and we create a web form in the same way as we have done before. I've got loads here. I don't want to go through them. I just want to show you a new web form. And here we can make it a bit more fancy if we wanted to. We could use different types of templates. We can make it how we like. It's entirely up to you. You can look around here and just choose one of the templates that you feel suits your needs. Now I'm just going to make this very simple because you can get the idea of how it works. I'm going to take this out, take this out, take this out, and I'm actually going to take this out. So I've got all the options in here. I've taken out all the bits and pieces, saved the web form. Go to step 2. VIP customers only. I'm going to leave it at the basic audio version of Aweber, but again, you've been watching the other videos, so you can see that if we wanted to, we could make some creative pages here as well and have more sales opportunities. It's up to you. But I'm just going to let them stay, thank you very much, and they're now subscribed. But I'm going to open it in a new window, and the reason for that is if they fill it in on the page and submit, I don't want them to be taken away from the pages where they download all their products because they might get a bit upset. So we've said open this in a new window, or we could even do it that they stay on the current page. We could even do that if we wanted to. It's entirely up to you. Already subscribed, basic version, or again, take the custom page and put in the URL to your actual download page. It's entirely up to you here. Let's put this in. We can do. And then we save the web form. We now want to publish it again, install it. Again, we copy the code. Right click, copy. Now we want to actually go and edit this. So make sure we're in our website and our download page. And we edit this in our HTML editing software. And right at the top here, if we go to just before where these images start and we hit enter a couple of times just to get a new line. So you can put something that's relevant in here. You can highlight it in the colors. You can design this how you like. Now I'm just doing this in Dreamweaver. We then make sure we're in the code. And we just delete this, drop down a line, right click and paste. And that's pasted in the Aweber code that we've just created. We now file and save this. What you might want to do is just give them a bit of a note. When you enter your details, you remain on this page. You might want to highlight this in red. So that way they know they're not going to be taken away from their purchase. Then just go ahead and upload. So we go to the website. Go to the website. Refresh. And then upload our download page. And then go back and check it. So here's our thanks page here. Now we should see when we refresh, we should see our new opt-in form. Here we go. Please enter your details below to go on our VIP and update list as a welcome customer. We will send you notice of this product updates as a thanks. When you enter your details above, you remain on this page. They put their details in. They hit submit. They stay on the page. They scroll down. They can now carry on accessing all the information. They'll now get the new opt-in series, and because of those automation rules that we set up in the beginning, so we had our course, we chose under My List, automation, and the action that we set up was to unsubscribe from this list when they join our new buyers list. And that way, they could fill out their details here. We've now moved them and shifted them, and the people that are getting the autoresponder follow-up series that we maybe have written that keeps selling the product, they've been taken off that list because they've already bought the product. On that new email list, we can now start sending them new offers and products and services, etc., that relate to this particular product that we've sold them. Thanks for watching the video.